Create this hoodie poster design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Take the size 736 by 920 pixels. First, change the background color to black. Then go to the element and add a black background. Rotate the image. Set this image as background. Change the opacity to 40. Add a white hoodie image. I am using a sample picture from the Canva library. Remove the background. Add a text and set the color to white. Change the font to Bibas Neue. Add another text and change the font to Poppins. Add another text and change the font to Brittany. Change the font color to vibrant orange. Go to the elements and add a brush line. Change the color to vibrant orange. Duplicate it 2 times. Select all the brush line and make it a group. Rotate it around 35 degrees. Set the middle position of the hoodie image. Go to Position and drag the hoodie image above all the elements. Select this text and make it duplicate. Go to the elements and add a rectangle shape. Corner rounding will be 10. Adjust the size and position. Duplicate this text and make it uppercase and bold. Edit this text and write your hoodie details. Adjust the size and position. Finally, adjust the elements if needed. Here is the final look. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check the description box for the template. Thanks for watching.